Okay. So,
Okay.
hi,
Evening.
sir. Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Good evening. How are you?
I'm fine, sir. How are you?
I am fine. I am also fine. Great.
So, can you tell me about
Hello.
yourself?
Okay. Okay. Why not? We will each other introduce about yourself. So first of all, I will thank you for giving me time, your valuable time and your golden time. So your golden opportunity. So let's go. I will start introduce about myself. I am Irfan. I am from Pakistan, province Balochistan, district Nasirabad. Talk about my qualification. So I have done 10th class. Currently, my education is going on. Talk about my profession. So I do work at grocery shop and talk about my learning journey. So I am learning this language from YouTube and I didn't take admission any academies. Talk about my YouTube channel. I have created YouTube channels. I have been 1 month and second month started. That's of all my introduction. So any question you have in your mind, you can ask and introduce about yourself.
Yes. My name is Tanishka. I'm 7 years old. I'm studying in third standard. My hobbies are to playing with Rubik's, playing with skating, riding cycle, and also reading storybooks. And it's my
That
channel on YouTube, English with Tanishka.
Okay, okay, that's great. That's great. Your wonderful introduction, your short introduction. So you have less age, and you are speaking English. Your speaking English is very perfect. You are very good. So very well. More than me, I am speaking, but I am learning. I make mistake. So you are speaking English in little age. So how did you learn this language in this age?
I learned this language by speaking,
Hello.
practicing, to doing conversation, and also reading stories. And when I go to outside, I'll speak with shopkeepers, and shopkeeper also speak with me in English. That I do practice. I read stories, and also listen stories, educations, videos,
Okay, okay.
podcast videos, and yeah.
That's great. So I think you have environment available to speak English and near you lots of people speak English and you listen that speak English and after that you speak English, right? Am I right?
Yes.
Okay, okay.
And what
So
is the time in your country?
I'm sorry. Again, speak.
What is the time in your country?
Time. So 29 minutes. 6 o'clock, 29 minutes.
And in India, there is 7 o'clock.
Okay, okay. So half hour difference.
Yes.
Okay, okay. That's great. So I am learning this language from YouTube channels and I don't speak face to face. I am practicing on this mobile and in this application. I have been 1 month completed and second month started now. So I am speaking. In the beginning, I was unable to speak. So now I am speaking, but your speaking English is very well. So which class are you studying?
I'm studying in third standard.
Fourth,
Not fourth, third.
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 Okay, okay, third class. So in private school and English medium.
In English medium school.
Okay, okay, that's great. This reason you know to speak English, but my education and my qualification, my five class session in village, and I studied Urdu medium schools, and I didn't study English. After that five class, I studied to learn English alphabet and uh, I have done 10th class. Now my education is going on in college, but I don't go college.
Okay, so can you tell me your English journey?
Okay, I will tell you. I have been completed 1 month. Second month is started. So in the beginning, I asked one teachers about this applications. So I have been completed 6 months, but I didn't use because I was unable to speak. One day I tried to connect Kashma Chan, and one day I connected Karishma Chan. So she said me, you need to practice. After that, I left to practice, and I started watching movies from YouTube. I think I watched 3 months. After that, I started to join this application, and lots of YouTubers this application link mentioned on YouTube channel description. So I started join this application link, and little people want to talk with me, and slowly I started talking. Now I am speaking. That's all my learning.
Wow, great. And we can also learn on applications. I know two applications. It's a Sparky app and a Fluency app.
Okay, so you have YouTube channel, you are speaking, and you upload video on your YouTube channel. So how many subscriber in your YouTube channel?
I have 1,000.
1,000. That's great. That's great. So I have started now YouTube channels. In my YouTube channels, less subscriber, 25 subscribers.
Can you send me your channel's link?
So my YouTube channel name is Big Learn English with IA Panyar.
Okay. Can you
So
send me your YouTube channel link?
okay. I will send you my YouTube channel link, and you will send me your YouTube channel link, and I will subscribe your YouTube channel, and I will watch your YouTube channel videos.
Okay, and I will tell my channel name also. My channel name is English with Tanishka. You can search it.
Okay. English with Anika.
English with Tanishka, my name. English with
Okay.
Tanishka.
Anishka. Okay. So you send me your YouTube channel links or videos, so I easily will go on your YouTube channel.
Okay, I will send the link of my channel. And
Okay.
yes, how is the weather in your country?
So weather now is very well. Now in my country, in my cities, on the sky, heavy cloud, and air is raining. Rainy seasons. So earlier, I think few days has been very hot seasons. Now weather is very beautiful and very well. In your
And
city.
yes, in my city there is too much raining. Here is too much raining.
Okay. Like this, our country and your country is like this weather.
Yes, continuously raining it is, and it is cold also.
Okay. That's great. So, which city are you living?
I'm from Maharashtra and district Pune.
Pune. Okay, so this is big city.
Yes, Pune city, metro
Okay,
city, called
okay,
metro.
okay. I am from little city. So in my city name is Dera Murad Jamali, district name Nasirabad. You know our country, province Balochistan.
No, I don't know.
Okay. So no problem. So, any you have questions you can ask.
Yes, how is the culture in your country?
So, culture is lots of different, but many people's clothes use shalwar kameez, but big cities, many people wear shirt, pant. in our country, culture is shalwar kameez in the, but lots of people like lots of cultures. Every caste like Brevi, Balochi, Punjabi, other castes, different cultures.
Okay, nice. And which
Right.
is your favorite food? What do you like to eat?
So I like to meat and lots of vegetables, fruits.
Okay, and what is the famous food in the Pakistan? Means your
So
country.
mango, apple, orange, and what say red grapes, and lots of fruits names. I don't know lots of fruits names. This is the famous apple and mango, orange, red grapes.
Hello? Hello, your video is stopped. Hello? Hello, sir, you're stuck.